this video we have 1 minus sine to the power of 4 theta divided by 1 plus sine squared theta equals to cosine theta. Cosine squared theta. So basically what we can do, we have two options to do that. So as we know, a squared minus b squared will be equal to a minus b times a plus b. That's the difference of squares. So if we look at the numerator here, we have 1 minus sine to the power of 4x or 4 theta. I had to change my pen. So it's going to be sine to the power of 4 theta will be equal to 1 to the power of 4 minus sine to the power of 4 theta. So that's going to be the same as 1 squared minus sine squared theta times 1 squared plus sine squared theta. And then if I rewrite it again, I'm going to have 1 sine squared theta times 1 plus sine squared theta divided by 1 plus sine squared theta. So these and these cancel each other, so we will have only 1 minus sine squared theta. So 1 minus sine squared theta will be equal to cosine squared theta. So that's proven. Another method I have, so the right hand side we have cosine squared theta. Here the second approach will be equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. And if we do cross multiplication, 1 minus sine squared theta times 1 plus sine squared theta will be equal to 1 minus sine to the power of 4 theta. So that's proven as you see here.